If you drive an ML350 and want your engine to last, you must change your oil the right way. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step DIY oil change, including the correct torque specs Mercedes mechanics use. The ML350 engine is sensitive. Wrong oil, wrong quantity, or over-tightened bolts can cause leaks, timing issues, and even engine failure. Following the right procedure saves your engine and your money. Here's everything you need for a perfect oil change. 0W, 40 or 5W. 40 full synthetic oil, new oil, filter wrench, 13mm socket for drain plug, torque wrench jack, and stands drain pan gloves and rags. That's it. Simple but effective. These torque specs are critical. Oil drain plug, 30 Newton meters, 22 FTLB. Oil filter housing, plastic style, 25 Newton meters, 18 FTLB. Aluminum oil filter cap, 30 Newton meters, 22 FTLB. If you over-tighten any of these, you risk cracks or leaks. Warm the engine. Run the engine for 2 to 3 minutes. Warm oil drains faster and removes more dirt. Jack up the vehicle safely. Use jack stands. Safety first. Remove the belly pan, 8 to 10 bolts depending on the model. Keep them in one place. Drain the old oil. Place a drain pan under the plug and remove the plug with a 13mm socket. Let it drain fully. Don't rush this step. Replace the oil filter. The ML350 filter sits on top of the engine. Use the filter wrench to remove the cap. Replace filter. Replace O-rings. Lightly oil the new O-rings. All of this prevents future leaks. Reinstall the filter housing. Tighten to the correct torque spec. This is where most people over-tighten. Reinstall the drain plug. Tighten to 30 Newton meters. No more, no less. Add new oil. Use the correct quantity, around 7.5 liters for most ML350 V6 engines. Start engine plus check for leaks. Let the engine run for 30 seconds and inspect the plug and filter area. Reset service indicator. Turn on ignition. Use arrow keys. Vehicle info, service data, confirm reset. These close calls cause big problems. Using 5W, 30 or 10W. 30 oil, forgetting to replace O-rings, overfilling the engine, over-torquing the drain plug, dirty funnel, introducing debris. Avoid these, and your engine will thank you. For Nigerian and African driving conditions, change your oil every 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. Heat and dusty environments break down oil faster. And that's how you perform a clean, professional oil change on the ML350. If you want torque specs for other repairs, drop a comment. Subscribe for more ML350 DIY and real mechanic breakdowns.